cutout. It's my first time ever cutting the sunroof out and installing it into the car. So it's getting ready to rain right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean my edges up, and I'm gonna take this bracket that I got on here down, and since the rain coming, I just go inside and start getting all the glue off of this here, so I can be prepared to go ahead and get it all put up. But yeah, this is my first time dropping a roof in here, and I think it came out pretty good. I kind of cut a little bit, a very little bit too much, but that's okay though, because the piece that go on top of here go around it pretty good. And I'm gonna let y'all see underneath what I have. Okay. See, I got it all clamped down in here. That's the bracket that I'm gonna mount right there. I got the finished cutting. Let me see, can I hold it? Finished cutting this bracket out. Also, the one over there I got it cut out too. Oh, I'm showing it wrong. Well, the one right here I got it cut out too. And I also have to cut this one out. But for today, this is how far I got. And I still have room for my sun visors to go up there without touching this being in the way. But yep, it's my first time doing it, and I think it looks damn good in there. And y'all drop a comment and let me know what y'all think. Seems like I did it pretty good. Got everything, you know. I measured everything that I did. Got it very even on both sides. I'm standing in the middle of y'all guys. You can see I got both sides even. Came out pretty good, I must say. No complaints. See right here, just a little bit too much. Not bad, because the majority of this here is glue. All this here is glue, so I just got to get it out of there, see? So yeah, the piece will go in there real good. Right now I just got it clamped up, just to hold that up, to make sure that I did a good job. But that's a big size roof, I'm gonna say. Big size roof. But yeah, you guys drop a comment and let me know what y'all think about it. First roof ever done. I have one more that I'm gonna put in my Beard Regal, and like I said, I cut it a little bit big, like a ½ inch, so I know the next time I do it, I pretty much got it. But thanks for watching. It's just an update that you guys see what I've done and how far I got with it. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to drop it in there and I'll have the finished video for you. Peace out.